Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to talk about the mirror tool and also the pattern tool. First we're going to do the mirror tool. So to talk about this tool, I've created a new part. It's just a simple rectangle that I extruded to a length of 10 millimeters. If you want to learn how to extrude parts, you can refer back to the extrusions video. That was video 2 in this series. Now, to use the mirror tool, what you're going to have to do is you're first going to have to create the feature that you want to mirror. To do that, I'm going to click on the top of my rectangle here, and I'm going to add another rectangle. And I'm going to sketch it so it fills in a portion right here. And then when I'm satisfied, I'm going to click the check. And then we're going to extrude this rectangle up. And we're going to bring it up. I'm going to do 100 millimeters for this one. And I'm going to click the check. And now you can see we have what appears to be an L bracket. Now, the entity that we're going to mirror is going to be this vertical rectangle here. And we're going to mirror it so that a second rectangle appears on this side and turns this L bracket into a C bracket. To do that, we're going to click the Boss Extrude feature, and then we're going to go up here to mirror. And it's going to ring the mirror menu. It's going to add the Boss Extrude feature. And then right here where it says Mirror Face Plane, we're going to click this original rectangle. As you can see, if we click this here, it's going to put the feature down here and make a letter T, which is not quite what we are hoping to do. So, one way to fix this would be to select both extrudes, and now we're going to again try the mirror feature. And this time we're going to select this, and now as you can see we have the full C bracket. So, as I said with the mirror tool, there's a lot of different ways you can use this tool, depending on what features you decide to mirror and what planes you select. I recommend playing around with this tool and trying out some of these different configurations to see what works best for you. Now, the other tool we're going to go over in this video is going to be the pattern tool. Now, there's a few ways to use this tool. One is a linear, which is going to make a straight line. But we're going to use the circular pattern tool, which is more common. So to use that, you're going to need to make a new sketch. And in this case, we are going to make just a bunch of circles. So to do that, we're going to make first a big circle. And then we're going to make one circle right on the edge. And that's it. So as you can see, we have two circles here. Now, we're going to go back to the Features menu. We're going to click a circular pattern. Now we're going to go back to the Features menu. Now in the sketch, in order to use the pattern tool, we are actually going to have to extrude out this small circle. So to do that, we're going to click Extrude. We're not going to do 100, we're going to do like 10 millimeters. And then we're going to save it. So in this case, it creates a 3D feature. Now we're going to click on this feature and we're going to add a circular pattern. And for the direction, we're going to explode out this menu here, which shows all of our entities. We're going to click on a plane. In this case, our rectangular plane. You can also select a circular plane or sketch your own plane. And we're going to start adding our features. Now in this case, I'm using a 60-degree spacing, which allows for 6 of these circles. When you are all done specifying your pattern, you can hit the green check, and now as you can see, we have added a circular pattern to our C bracket. In the next video, we're going to be going over how to make extruded cuts. And when we make our extruded cuts, we're going to use a linear pattern as well.